Hello friends. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech news, knowledge and solutions. Let's go through a guide to API management solutions. Red Hat 3-Scale API Management is an award-winning platform. It gives control, visibility and flexibility to organizations seeking to create and deploy an API program. It features comprehensive security, monetization, rate limiting, and community features that businesses seek, backed by Red Hat's solid scalability and performance. Next is APIGEE, which is an API management platform for modernizing IT infrastructure, building microservices and managing applications. The platform was acquired by Google in 2016 and added to the Google Cloud. It includes gateway, security, analytics, developer portal, and operations capabilities. The next one, AKANA by PERFORCE, which provides an end-to-end API management solution for designing, implementing, securing, managing, monitoring, and publishing API, ranked by Forrester as a leader in API management and the top vendor for API security. AKANA has proven tools to take your API from strategy and design to deployment and optimization. The AKANA API platform helps you create and publish secure, reliable API that are elegant, easy to consume, built the right way, and running as they should be to improve the customer experience and drive growth in your business. Next one is CA Technologies, a Broadcom company, helps customers create an agile business by modernizing application architectures with API and microservices. Layer 7 API management includes the industry's most innovative solution for microservices, and provides the most trusted and complete capabilities across the API lifecycle, like for development, orchestration, security, management, monitoring, deployment, discovery and consumption. Next is Cloud Elements, which delivers an API integration platform that allows API to work uniformly across hundreds of applications while sharing common data models. Elements unify API with enhanced capabilities for authentication, discovery, search, error handling and API maintenance. Formulas combine those elements to automate business processes across applications. Virtual data hubs provide a normalized view of data objects, such as accounts or payments. All can be shared, modified and reused, significantly improving developer and non-developer productivity. Next is DELL BOOMI's API management solution, which provides a unified and scalable, cloud-based platform to centrally manage and enrich API interactions through their entire lifecycle. With BOOMI, users can rapidly configure any endpoint as an API, publish API on-premise or in the cloud, manage API with traffic control and usage dashboards. Next one is IBM's API Connect, which is designed for organizations looking to streamline and accelerate their journey into digital transformation. API Connect on IBM Cloud is an API lifecycle management offering which allows any organization to secure, manage and share API across cloud environments, including multi-cloud and hybrid environments. This makes API Connect an ideal, scalable solution for those that have, and need to expose API without fear of cloud-specific vendor lock-in. Next is Microsoft's AZURE API management solution, which enables users to publish, manage, secure and analyze API in minutes. It features the ability to create an API gateway and developer portal quickly. It has the ability to manage all API in one place, provides insights into API, and connects to back-end services. Next one is MuleSoft's Anypoint API Manager, which is designed to help users manage, monitor, analyze and secure API in a few simple steps. The manager enables users to proxy existing services or secure API with an API management gateway, add or remove pre-built or custom policies, deliver access management, provision access, and set alerts so users can respond proactively. Next is Oracle released the Oracle API Platform Cloud Service. The new service was developed with the API-first design and governance features from its acquisition of APIGEE as well as Oracle's own API management capabilities. The service provides an end-to-end service for designing, prototyping, documenting, testing and managing the proliferation of critical API. Next is POSTMAN, which is the leading collaboration platform for API development, used by more than 7 million developers and 300,000 plus companies worldwide. POSTMAN allows users to design, mock, debug, test, document, monitor, and publish API, all from one place. POSTMAN's native apps for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux provide advanced features and a variety of tools that can be used to extend POSTMAN, including Newman. POSTMAN's command line tool, the POSTMAN API, the API network, and integrations. Next one is SMARTBEAR software, which empowers users to thrive in the API economy with tools to accelerate every phase of the API lifecycle. SMARTBEAR is behind some of the biggest names in the API market, including Swagger, SoapUI and ServiceV. With Swagger's easy-to-use API development tools, SoapV's automated testing proficiency, AlertSite's API monitoring and ServiceV's mocking and virtualization capabilities, users can build, test, share and manage the best-performing API. Last but certainly not least is TIBCO Cloud MASHERY, which is a cloud-native API management platform that can be deployed anywhere, either as a SaaS service or containerized in cloud-native and on-premise environments. MASHERY delivers market-leading full lifecycle API management capabilities for enterprises adopting cloud-native development and deployment practices, such as DevOps, microservices, and containers. Its capabilities includes API creation, productization, security, and analytics of an API program and community of developers.